Hello everyone, welcome back to Electromagnetics. So today we are getting the job notification from IBM. They are recruiting freshers for the post of verification engineer. So for more studios, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss the video. And you can join our Telegram group for more job updates. The link is in the description. So IBM is recruiting for the post of the functional verification engineer. The salary you can expect is about 13 lakh per annum. And the job location is in Bangalore. The batch that can apply for this application is 2022 and below batch can apply for this application. So the eligibility criteria is you should have a bachelor's degree or master's degree in electronics engineer or electrical engineering, as well as if you have a 0 to 5 year of experience in functional verification, then you can apply for this application. And the preferred skills, you should have a good knowledge of the UVM or OVM that I have already explained in my previous video of VLSI. So if you don't know, so you can watch that video. And you should have a good knowledge of the Verilog, VSDL and SV. So these three languages you can easily learn from the nptel. That also I have already talked in my previous video on VLSI. If you haven't watched that video, so you can watch that video. I will put the link in the description as well as in the I button. From there you can easily watch that video. Okay, apart from that, you should have a good programming skills like in C, C++, Python or Perl, as well as the Perl language you can learn for free of course. That also I have explained how you can learn the Perl language in my previous videos. Okay, so how you can apply for this application, just click on apply here. I will put the link in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you can easily apply. So once you click on apply here, so you will be directed to this particular page. Here you have to click on apply to the job. So you can sign in through the LinkedIn, through the Facebook or through the Twitter. Otherwise you can directly register yourself if you haven't registered, or you can directly log in. So once you sign in, let's get it started. I agree. So the first step is you have to upload your personal details. The second one is the education history. Here you have to add about your graduation degree, and if you had any work experience you can add that. And the skills you can add like UVM, Verilog, C++, Perl. Okay, and click on save and continue. So here you can choose other, just click on no. Here you can click on no. Here you have to fill up your name and last name. Click on here and just upload your resume and save and continue. And at last you will get the preview option. You have to check whether all the information which you have provided is correct or not. If it is correct, then you can directly submit the application. Okay, after this you will get a confirmation mail your application is submitted. Okay, so if you find any difficulties in filling up this form, you can comment it below or you can message me on Instagram. So I hope you find this job very useful. So for more videos, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.